In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a live booking calendar sitting right inside your site, so visitors can schedule with you without leaving the page. Start inside your Calendly account on the scheduling or event type screen. Pick the specific meeting type you want to embed. This ensures the widget shows the right availability and duration. Open the menu for that event by clicking the three dots and choose Add to Website. When the embed options appear, select Inline Embed. Inline places the calendar directly within your page layout, which is perfect for a dedicated booking section. Click, continue to generate the snippet, then hit Copy Code. That copies all the HTML and JavaScript Calendly provides. Keep this window open in case you want to tweak options later, but the important part is that the code is now on your clipboard. Now switch to your Squarespace site editor and navigate to the page where you want the calendar to appear. Add a new section to the page so the scheduler has its own space. Choose Add Section, then select a blank layout. Starting clean helps the embed fill the area without extra design elements getting in the way. Inside that new section, add a block. In the block picker, type code to find the code block and insert it. Click the pencil icon to open the block's editing panel. In the code field that appears, paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier. You don't need to rewrite anything, just paste exactly what Calendly provided. After you paste, the preview should populate with your live scheduler. If the calendar looks cramped, place the section in a full width area or reduce padding in the section settings so the widget can breathe. If you want the calendar higher or lower on the page, simply drag the section to reposition it. Remember, the display you see in the editor mirrors what visitors will experience. That's it. You pulled the embed from Calendly, created a blank section in Squarespace, dropped in a code block, and pasted the snippet. Give the page a quick check on desktop and mobile to confirm the widget sizes nicely. With this setup, booking is seamless for your visitors, and events will flow straight into your Calendly as usual. Calendly automatically honors your availability and time zone settings, so what people see matches your schedule. You're ready to share your page and start booking.